Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the best ending in Metro Exodus. Achieving this outcome requires careful moral decisions throughout your entire journey. Every choice you make, from sparing enemies to helping your friends, contributes to Artyom's karma. We will go through each major chapter, highlighting key moments where your compassion and restraint are tested. Follow these steps to ensure a hopeful future for the Aurora crew. Moving to the Volga chapter, your primary goal is to demonstrate compassion. When encountering the cultists, try to use stealth and non-lethal takedowns. Remember to find Stepan's guitar and Nastia's teddy bear. These small acts of kindness build positive karma. Avoid killing any unarmed cultists, especially those in the church. Your restraint here is crucial for a good outcome. Next, in the vast Caspian Desert, focus on rescuing the enslaved people. Use stealth to navigate the Baron's territory and free as many slaves as you can. When acquiring the water map, try to minimize bloodshed. Avoid killing any unarmed slaves or the Baron's guards unless absolutely necessary for survival. Showing mercy here significantly boosts your karma for the best ending. Finally, in the Taiga forest, practice non-lethal approaches with the children of the forest. Try to sneak past them or use takedowns instead of lethal force. Throughout your entire journey, remember to complete all side quests, as these often provide opportunities for positive karma. Consistently choosing compassion, helping your companions, and avoiding unnecessary violence are the keys to securing the best ending for Artyom and his friends.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.